Hello friends, the 2025 Volvo XC90 continues to set the standard for luxury SUVs with its elegant Scandinavian design, advanced technology, and a commitment to sustainability. With subtle yet impactful updates, Volvo has refined an already impressive package to make it even more appealing for modern drivers. The exterior design remains unmistakably Volvo, but with a refreshed front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and new aerodynamic enhancements that improve efficiency. The signature Thor's hammer daytime running lights add a sharp, sophisticated touch, while newly designed alloy wheels provide a more dynamic stance. The overall silhouette maintains its commanding presence on the road, exuding both luxury and practicality. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of minimalist elegance. Premium materials like nappa, leather, real wood, and aluminum accents create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The redesigned dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster and a new, larger infotainment screen, powered by Google's latest software. With built-in Google Assistant, Maps, and Play Store, the system ensures seamless connectivity and effortless control over navigation, music, and vehicle settings. Comfort remains a top priority, with plush, ergonomically designed seats that provide excellent support for long journeys. The XC90 continues to offer 3 rows of seating, making it an excellent choice for families. The second-row captain's chairs, available in higher trims, elevate passenger comfort, while the third row provides decent space for adults on shorter trips. A premium Bowers & Wilkins sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, transforming the cabin into a concert hall on wheels. Volvo has taken a significant step toward electrification with the latest XC90. The SUV is available with a range of powertrain options, including a mild hybrid and a plug-in hybrid variant that offers an extended electric-only range. The refined hybrid system improves fuel efficiency while delivering smooth and responsive acceleration. With standard all-wheel drive and an adaptive air suspension system, the XC90 provides a comfortable yet engaging driving experience, effortlessly handling city streets and rugged terrains alike. Safety has always been a hallmark of Volvo, and the 2025 XC90 is no exception. Equipped with the latest driver assistance technologies, it features an upgraded pilot assist system for semi-autonomous driving, enhanced collision avoidance, and a new advanced camera system for better visibility. The SUV also includes Volvo's latest occupant protection innovations, ensuring maximum safety for all passengers. Cargo space remains generous, with ample room for luggage, groceries, or outdoor gear. The hands-free power tailgate adds convenience, making loading and unloading effortless. Practicality meets luxury, making the XC90 an excellent choice for both daily commutes and long road trips. With its refined styling, enhanced technology, efficient hybrid powertrains, and top-tier safety features, the 2025 Volvo XC90 continues to be one of the best luxury SUVs on the market. Whether you're looking for comfort, performance, or eco-friendly driving, this SUV delivers it all in a sophisticated package.